Hello guys, for this video papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-transfer ng funds from BPI to GCash app. So first guys is punta tayo sa app ng BPI. Ito guys, ito yung app ko sa BPI. Then after that guys is login tayo sa account ko. Login tayo sa account ko guys. So naka-biometric login yung account ko guys. Next guys is click natin yung transfer. Just once ma-transfer guys is click natin yung to another bank. Ayan. So transfer from, click lang natin yung savings account natin guys. Transfer to is hanapin natin si GCash. GCash Exchange or GCash. Yan guys. So yung account number natin is login lang natin input lang natin yung GCash number natin which is start from 0. Tapos yung account din natin guys kung ano yung pangalan natin sa GCash. Ayan. So after then guys, input natin yung amount to be transferred to our GCash. So ayun guys, try natin 1,000. So yung note yan guys, optional lang po yan. So ayun guys, i-review natin yung details. So transfer from is from our savings account. So transfer to is to GCash Exchange. So review natin yung cellphone number kung tama ba. So mayroon siyang fee na 25 pesos guys. So i-confirm natin guys. Enter your mobile key. O sa akin guys, naka-biometric. So, biometric lang sa akin guys. So, ayun guys, nag-successful transfer na. So, go to my accounts. So, log out natin guys. Tapos, punta naman tayo kay GCash. Ayun guys, so. Nag-message sa atin si BPI. So, wait lang natin guys. Medyo naglo-load siya. Guys, ito yung GCash account ko guys. I-login ko lang. So, ayun guys, pumasok naman siya. From 189, so naging 1,000 na siya. Tingnan natin sa history guys. Ayun. Hindi naglo-load. So ngayon guys, nandito na siya guys. Receive GCash from BPI Family Savings Bank. So ayun guys, sumasok talaga siya guys. Ganun lang kabilis guys. So sa mga gustong mag-transfer dyan, so try nyo. Para talagang convenient. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan kung need nyo ng balance sa GCash wallet nyo tapos may BPI account kayo. So ganun lang po siya kabilis. So thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.